students, let's go through the MCQs from year 2021 to 2023 that appeared in the NEET paper. So 2021, let's look at the questions. 9-year-old boy, mild painful swelling on the scalp for 3 months. Okay, pet dog. Has to be carrion. Why? Because carrion is caused by zoophilic fungi mostly, and this is a classical appearance of a painful but mild, okay? And it looks like a boggy swelling. Epidermoid cyst is not at all painful. Furuncle and folliculitis, depending upon the extent, will be very painful, and it is not associated with presence of a pet animal. Child with history of difficulty in seeing at night comes to you with the following: difficulty at seeing at night. Multiple causes. So let's see which of the following causes difficulty of seeing at night. Follicular eczema, no. Not Darier's disease. This could look like Darier's disease. Keratosis pilaris also does not cause difficulty in seeing at night. Phrinoderma, which is due to vitamin A deficiency, which also causes difficulty in seeing at night. So the answer is phrinoderma. 30-year-old patient with a flaccid bullae prone to rupture. So suprabasal split. Vulgaris. Suprabasal split is not seen in foliaceous, subcorneal is seen. No bulla is seen here. Vegetans will show papillomatosis. Alright, the next one. For a patient with paronychia affecting the index finger, treatment option, in my opinion, has to be amoxiclav because it is a broad spectrum antibiotic. A patient on multi-drug therapy shows worsening of lesions and new nerve involvement. What is the most appropriate next step? This looks like leprosy and red lesions, and worsening of lesion on MDD indicates reaction. So, for the treatment of reaction, we continue MDD and start systemic steroids. We never discontinue MDT during reaction. 30-year-old inflammatory alopecia, what types of tinea capitis infection are more? So they've said inflammatory alopecia and asked for the types of tinea capitis which are inflammatory. The answer here is Favus and carrion, both are inflammatory. Ectothrix and endothrix tell us the location of the spores. Endothrix, the location of pores is inside the hair shaft. Ectothrix, the location of pore is outside the hair shaft. NEET 2022 presents with HPV anogenital warts. High risk. Out of all of this, high risk is 18. Remember that. The correct answer is 18. Irregular pitting of the nail is accompanied by subungual hyperkeratosis, characterized by which? Irregular pitting is characterized by psoriasis. Remember that. Atopic dermatitis, regular. Lichen planus pterygium. Sorry, alopecia areata will be regular. Atopic dermatitis will show pitting but not accompanied with hyperkeratosis. Alright. 35-year-old hair loss, COVID, after COVID test positive. So it is a hair loss followed by a stress on the body, which is telogen effluvium. Infection, OCD, which is a patterned hair loss, female patterned hair loss. So answer is telogen effluvium. MMA fighter, itchy, scaly, macular axilla after taking scrapings, pencil-shaped microconelia. So pencil-shaped microconelia producing red pigment. Rubrum is red. So trichophyton rubrum is the answer. Patient presents with anesthetic patch on the face. Anesthetic meaning no sensation on the face. Which nerve? Of course, facial nerve distribution, this one. Trigeminal, abducens and olfactory nerves are not present in the region showed in the image. Alright, so this is a very question based on your anatomy actually rather than dermat. So female with body mass index of 30, alright. So a kilogram per meter square have lesions on this neck. This lesion is acanthosis nigricans. The answer here is metabolic syndrome. Why? hypo and hyperparathyroidism does not cause acanthosis nigricans. Addison also does not cause acanthosis nigricans, remember that. So what is metabolic syndrome? Comprises of, one is blood pressure in the criteria, second is high triglycerides, third is low HDL, fourth is glucose levels are high, fasting glucose levels, and fifth here is higher abdominal circumference. So these are the criteria used for diagnosis of metabolic syndrome. Moving on to the next one, NEET 2023 questions. Dye woman developed a reaction. Which of the following chemicals? We know the commonest irritant in hair dye is paraphenylene diamine. Chromates are present in cement. Answer is A here. Female patient with acne persists despite oral isotretinoin. Best investigation of choice. Dietary triggers, no, they do not cause severe acne enough to persist after oral isotretinoin. No. Drug trigger causes monomorphic acne or acne-form eruption rather. So antibiotic resistant doesn't make sense. We are giving an isotretinoin, alright. So even if antibiotics are not working, isotretinoin should have worked. Leaves us with hyperandrogenism because the acne that does not respond to both, you should always check for underlying androgen related disorders. And the treatment for this will be anti-androgen drugs like spironolactone and cyproterone acetate. Answer is A here. Let's move on to the next question. A young man presents with painless genital ulcer, alright, with non-tender inguinal lymphadenopathy. The answer here is syphilis. These two are painful, and out of the given two options, lymphadenopathy or lymphatic system involvement is less common in granuloma inguinal than in syphilis. So the best possible choice here is syphilis. Which of the following conditions is linked to the clinical appearance shown? Glaucoma, cataract, not even a question here. They're talking about this lesion that is here. Basal cell carcinoma will show an ulcerated lesion. Remember that. Remember rodent ulcer? This is a compound melanocytic nevi. So compound melanocytic nevi will be most commonly linked to malignant melanoma out of the given options. So here we come to an end of this module. Thank you so much.